All right, last one.
Kraft has officially made mac and cheese ice cream a thing. Oh! Woo! If you're willing to try it, here's when you can get your hands on this cheesy, creamy concoction.
Yeah, I try to visit their site. I try to order it. And, the site's still up.
Wait a second.
Okay, yeah. So you can order it.
Wait a second.
What?
Who is Van Leeuwen?
Van Leeuwen. I think
who
it's
are
with
they?
the U and W.
Who are these people?
It's a company based in Brooklyn, ice cream
Of
store.
course.
And they make Kraft ice cream. I think they did some sort of campaign, a Popeyes ice cream, not the sandwich or chicken company, but the strong guy with the spinach. They made spinach ice cream before, and that was successful, so they tried this one.
Kraft macaroni and cheese. Nothing makes us happier than this Kraft macaroni and cheese ice cream. If this reminds you of the ice cream you grew up with, you might be out of your mind. If this reminds you of the comforting bowl of Kraft macaroni and cheese you grew up with, you're getting warmer. Because did we make this ice cream with that buttery, sweet, iconic cheese? You bet.
So you can try it out now. Or you can buy it.
Why does it
online.
seem so wrong? Because you have cheesecake. Cheesecake is a thing.
Yeah.
They take a savory element through cheese, and then somehow they sweeten it. But actually, no, it's not savory because you can make cheese without salt, can't you? There's cheeses without salt? Man, I don't know, Will. I don't know, man.
They use the cheese powder.
The actual cheese powder?
Yes.
Okay.
The sauce mix.
So sodium is in there.
Of course,
it's going to have some saltiness with the sweet. I don't want it. I don't think I want it.
No, it's not your thing.
I would definitely try it, obviously, but I'm guessing that after I taste it, I don't want it. They would have to really throw something together unexpected here for me to want it. I'm just telling you, man.
Okay, well.
I do like weird things, though.
You do, yes.
I have gotten myself into some weird things.
And you take ganders.
And I've been known to gander.
Yeah.
So I don't want to make any commitment to not trying it. I'll tell you that right now. But I'm not saying I'm trying it either.
Okay. I hear you.
So I'm saying nothing.
I'm on the same boat.
Aren't you normally on the same, same boat? Are you on a boat or in a boat?
Both.
Wow. No, I feel like I'm on a boat. But you're right. You can also be in a boat.
Sure.
Depends on the type of boat.
Yeah. We'll find out later what's the right term.
On the next episode.